And the way I see digital a little bit as a connector of many different things. That's how I see it, right? So a little bit like an operating system on which everything, runs. And when people talk about digital marketing, they make it sound like digital marketing is a particular discipline. But it's not. Because marketing doesn't really change. The channels, the techniques, the tactics might evolve, but the principles stay the same. So digital is just a different way of thinking about it and a different approach to it. How do you use technology to market a brand? Really, everything that's available. Email, SMS, whatever it is. That's in essence what it is. In a more quantifiable, in a more measurable way. And digital allows us to get something that we didn't have before, which is data. Because now we don't guess anymore. We can make decisions based on actual data.